What's going on, everybody? This is Garry B. Jr. Did you know that in FreeShow, you can set an overlay to have an amount of time that it stays on the screen, and then it will automatically disappear. All right. And so this feature is called the display duration. All right. So let's look and see how to use that. And I'm going to use this slideshow that I've got here, and I'm going to add an overlay that I've got here. So it's got a logo on it, right? And you can see the logo. I'm gonna turn off this one. And so if I right click on this though, and I select display duration, I can make that logo show up for 10 seconds at a time. So we'll say, we'll make it be 5 seconds at a time. All right. And this could be helpful for different reasons. You might want to have it like just be a little refresher. It might be someone's title, or it might be, like I said, just an actual logo or something along those lines. But if I refresh this or update it, it pops in and you see it there. And I'm expecting it to go away after the 5 second mark. So let's see what happens here. And 3, 2, and I don't see anything going on. Let me see if it, oh, let me go back over here. And so it's there. Let me start it up and start it back over. Let's see. So display duration is highlighted, so it's there. All right, so it's on my screen, and let me let you guys see what I'm seeing here. And it just went away. So I can click on it again. You'll see it on the screen. And then what ends up happening is after 5 seconds, it completely goes away. I had to turn it off and turn it back on for that display duration to actually activate. I couldn't just refresh here. I actually had to turn it off down here. And so this can come in handy anytime that you want to bring in a particular item, but you don't want it to stay there forever. That's a cool way to do it, right? And so I really like that function and that feature because it does add some flexibility for your presentations that I never even realized. I'm not sure how long that feature's been there, but it's really cool. Make a note in the comments on how you would plan to use a feature like that, where it will actually change the display duration of your overlays.